don't even really have a lot of stuff. Like, one thing about me is I'm gonna save some money. So they're saying I did not pay my rent. I have no boxes. That's ghetto. Like, oh no, ma'am. I gotta get out of here. I gotta go somewhere. Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Jazz the RBT, and I give upcoming RBTs different tips and tricks on how to pass the exam and life after the exam. If you're new to my channel, please like this video, comment some more videos you want to see, and join me on the road to a BCBA. Welcome back to another video. This video will consist of me moving out. I've been in this apartment for about 2 years now. Just join me on this moving process. Like I gotta pack, like I gotta go, like I gotta get out of here. I gotta go somewhere. I gotta get, you know what I mean? Like I gotta go. Like, today is May 6th and my move-in day is May 18th. 2 weeks to pack. It's been a long time coming. I've been in this apartment for 2 years by myself. It's a 1-bedroom, 1-bath. I think it's about 800 square feet. It was a nice apartment. Once I get it all the way empty, I will give you guys another tour of how it looks because I did get new floors. And I'm gonna show you guys some clips of the floor process. My apartment flooded on Christmas Eve, and then they came and took out all of my carpet on my birthday, which is January 7th. And I'm gonna show you guys that clip right now. So on Christmas Eve, the pipes burst in my entire building, which caused me to have to get new floors in my apartment. So I was without water for about 2 weeks, and then they came on January 7th, which is my birthday, and removed all the carpet out of my apartment, and this is how it looked until February 10th, which is about 3 days after I went to the office and told them that my apartment still does not have carpet, which they didn't even know. So yeah. Once I got the floors and everything in, I was free. I was able to put all of my furniture back to where it belongs and make it look nice, how it usually looks. But still stay tuned. I am still moving and packing right as we speak. I'm moving into a different apartment. It's going to be bigger. It's going to be better. And stay tuned for that apartment tour. And yeah. Even after that, I'm still moving. So I came home one day, this on my door. What is this? Demand for compliance or possession and all other occupants. So they're saying I did not pay my rent, but I did pay my rent. I went up to the office and I talked to them and they said they are removing the late. Like, oh no ma'am, because I pay my rent. And y'all not gonna sit up here and say I didn't pay my rent. But even after that, I'm still moving. But anyways, I'm still moving and we're still gonna keep that positive energy flowing. Why be negative when you could be positive? I already did my room and I did some of the bathroom. I didn't pack up everything because I still have about 2 weeks left, so I still have some items in there that I want to keep. So here is a few clips of my room. This is how my closet is looking. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things of clothes that I'm just gonna transfer to the new place. This one ripped a little bit, but it's okay because it's still gonna get the job done. And then I have these hangers, and I kind of want to like upgrade my life and get the cute hangers like the other girlies. But I took all the clothes from down there, all the stuff out of here, all my shoes. And this is just some stuff that I need for the time being that I'm still going to be here. So this stuff is going to stay right here. And then on move out day, I'll put that in like a duffel bag or something. It's not a lot right there. So this is the stuff out of my room and my closet. This is how the living room looks. So we're going to hit the living room next. I do want to sell this couch. So if you are interested, check me out on OfferUp. I will be posting it. go look at my post on OfferUp and get it if it's not already sold. And then I have this stuff in here that I want to pack up, and I'm about to do that right now. So I have no boxes. This area right here. So this is how this area is looking, and I have like a very bad hoarder problem. Like, I was gonna use this for like something to put on my wall to have like a little cushion on the wall. I don't know. I'm gonna throw it away now though, because like, what do I need that for? But yeah, I'm gonna pack up this area. Thing I have to pack is this area. I still have this gaming chair. Like, somebody please buy it. I have all the pieces and it's brand new, still in the pack. I've had this gaming chair for 2 years now. Yeah, so I do have a box that I'm gonna put all this stuff in. My diploma, but it does not have no diploma in there. Why don't have no diploma in there? Because I told them to mail it to my place and I never received it. And I graduated in May 2022. It's May 2023, y'all. But I'm about to get on them because I need my diploma. I bought these things to like put coins in, these things, and I never even used them. Start saving money. So I'm gonna keep these. I do have a hoarding problem. Like, I hate throwing away stuff, especially like empty containers, bottles, or like Dove soap bottles that I use. Like, they're under my sink in the bathroom and I don't like throwing them away. I don't know why. It's always a little bit left, and you never know when you're gonna be struggling. Like, you're gonna need it. So I just like to keep it. But I'm gonna get out of that habit. But anyways, let's get back into it. And I'm also watching Love is Blind right here. So if you watch Love is Blind, like, comment like how you feel about the new season. I'm gonna use this to clean out the stove. Okay, y'all, so this is the progress I've made so far. This is the living room. This is how it looks. I don't know who's gonna move that couch. Hopefully somebody moves it, honestly. True. These are all empty. I'm just gonna keep them empty for right now. I might fold them up, or I might put something in them just to transfer more stuff over. I don't know yet, but right now they are empty and ready to be used. This right here is all of my stuff that needs to be moved. I still have a few things in my room, and I still have to pack the kitchen. Okay, so I got the cabinets cleaned out. Oh, there's still something up there, but I can't reach it. I can't reach that, so I'm gonna have somebody else get it. But everything else is out of there. I left this plate up here because I still got about like, what, 4 days left. I don't know, I might need it. But anyways, I got all of this stuff out of this cabinet. I still got these up here that I'm going to wrap up. And then I got everything out of this cabinet. It's still a little bit of stuff up there that I can't reach it because I can't see it unless I'm on camera. But all of this is gonna go in the trash. And this is it. Whew. Y'all, I don't even really have a lot of stuff. Like,